We're going to start off with the first pancake on top. So you're going to do a skinny oval. Then starting way on one side, we're going to do a kind of an elongated C shape. You're going to keep stacking these underneath. Try to keep them about the same size. It's okay if they're a little different because, not all pancakes really come out exactly the same. And this way we make it look like they're stacked on top of each other because you really can't see the top of the other pancake because you have one sitting on top of it. So make your stack as tall as you like. Then you're going to go up about 3 pancakes and then you're going to do one really big C shape for the plate. Let's add a little butter. Angle 2 lines that are parallel. Then we're going to connect those. And then 3 little short lines. It's like a table, but then connect those. Now a little syrup. I'm going to do a wiggly line on top and then have it drip down. Come back up and then connect that.